gerekir. All right, guys. All right, all right, all right, all right, all right. We're starting the stream now, guys. We're starting the stream now, guys. Starting the stream now. So, guys, on Friday we had a loss on gold. So we buy now, buy on gold, and due to bank holiday, I even want to even place a trade in the first place, but it is what it is. Yes, comments today. Father, thank you for this morning. Thank you for today. Thank you for the opportunity to come out and trade with people. I've started the stream. Bless our week, bless our day, and bless everyone joining to the stream. In the mighty name of Jesus. Amen. So this is our calendar for the week, and you can see that we have there's no red folder or orange folder today. Tomorrow there's some orange and red folders, but it does not affect us. We have on Wednesday, we have on Thursday. On Wednesday we have unemployment claim. On Friday we have card news. So basically that's just what it is. Uh, Basically that's what it is for the week. So let's 1 second, guys. So basically that's what it is for the week. So that being said, let's dive right into our chart and let's see what we can talk about. So going to gold, starting from gold daily. But let's start from the weekly. Gold is really crazy right now. So let's start from the weekly time frame on gold, then we need to work our way through. That was also click weekly, click weekly and gold. Like doesn't want to open, so let's do this instead. Let's do this. So this is a weekly time frame on gold, and you can see how the whole structure is. I don't know if you guys can hear me, so I'm trying to be as audible as I can. So this is the weekly on gold, and the weekly candle end bullish. But if you look at it properly, you see that it's a very, very, very like the range is not even good. So we're just in. This is the resistance we have, like this is the resistance we have, and this is the support we have. So price is just basically ranging, giving us um around 2,300 deep range. This is basically what we're working on gold, and the range is not the best. It's really not the best. So this is what I see on gold. And today candle is currently pushing downwards, and we have no topic. Price has not created any topic on the structure, and price is just pushing to the downside. So let's go to the daily time frame. Let me show you guys what I feel is going to happen on daily. Now on the daily time frame, we have price giving us a daily resistance above here. We have a support that was here, which price is currently breaking below, and there's also no, like I said, no top week. And we have a daily low, which is here as well. So this is what I'm seeing on the daily time frame. So if I go to my, you can see how ranging, like price is basically ranging. You can see how price has been ranging for weeks now. Yeah, for weeks. So if I go to the 4 hours time frame, you can see that price is has broken below 4 hours like levels, like a lot of levels price has broken below. But this is the recent 4 hours support which price broke below. And you can see where it is currently. And I think it's trying to feel bearish. But once we see a break of structure, price breaking below this 4 hours low, we can anticipate a drive to the downside and have like a range where price can drive to. We have about clean candles to this side. We have about 200 pips, 230 pip range where price can drive to. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to like work our way through draw our support and resistance and look for opportunities. So looking at the 1 hour time frame, I think we have a level of resistance here and also have a level of support down here. So going to the 30 minutes time frame, this has been my key levels. This is my key levels where I look for opportunities. This is basically where I'm looking for opportunities now. But I'm going to adjust the one on the just one on bit. So this is what I have. So I'm looking for sales below this level here on the 30 minutes. So this is sell below, and today is Monday, so we're going to look to get to serious on the chart. So sell below. This is where I'm looking for sales. And if I go to the 15 minutes, let's look for if it's a cleaner one. On the 15 minutes, the price break above this level here. No, I don't like it. So what I'll do, I'm going to adjust this level here. Let me see the range between these two places. The range here is around 20 people. I'm going to adjust this level to this point. It depends on volume. When London session kick in, how London volume respond. That means if I'll end up of this level or of this level. So this is basically the range I'm looking for. This is the high and this is the low. So this is where we are currently now, and this is what I'm trading off. So I need to see a buy above this level, which is 3317.22, and a break below 3305.56. This is my potential range, and this is what I'm looking to either buy above the structure or sell below the structure. So we have about 11 more minutes or less than 10 minutes. 10 minutes, basically 10 minutes to the end of the candle and the start of London section, London volume. If you know, we're going to know exactly what's going to happen when that happens. So I'm basically waiting for price to give me some kind of closure like this. What is it? So I need some kind of bearish closure below structure, like price coming downwards. Then I can get like a bearish structure closing below the structure. Either I get just price testing the level and pushing to the downside, or I get something like this. I get a bullish momentum, price pushing to the upside, and the next candle can give me a bearish structure for price to continue to the downside. So this is something I'm looking at to partake in this, like in this section. So if I see something like this, I look forward to basically back and entry the trade for itself. Trade for yourself. So that's what I'm looking for on gold for sales currently, and for buys is just a similar thing as well, just that is the inverse way. So if price starts pushing bullish from this structure here, once price starts pushing bullish from this structure, I start getting like a bullish momentum, price going to the upside and all that, and I get the break of structure. I look for price to either retest or need to fill up this range, because the range is actually around 60 or 70 peak range, around 80 peak range. So that's what I'm working with, and this is what I want price to do in order for me to place a trade here. So this is what I want price to do. So we just have to sit down, relax, and allow this play out, and we'll look for opportunities. So that's just basically it, guys. So let me clear up everything and let's wait for opportunities. If you don't get any, if you get so be it. So basically that's just all we have in stock for today, and that's basically what I see on GJ. So let's quickly look at on gold. Let's quickly look at GJ, and let's also see if we can get anything out of this pair. So first of all, go to our weekly time frame, and I'm going to clear up everything so we can have a clean sheet and we can break our way through. So give me a second. So back to GJ, this is the weekly. I'm currently looking at the weekly candle, and the weekly candle is bearish, but it's a bearish with a rejection candle. You can see it has like a rejection to the downside. You can see the current candle is bullish, and we still haven't broken above the weekly resistance, which shows signs of possible bearish momentum due to what has happened in the past, because you can see multiple times in the past, when price gets to this level, it's always reject. So we don't know yet if this candle is going to be a breakout candle. So once you see a breakout, a bullish breakout above Once you break out above the structure like this, then you can anticipate price will just continue pushing to the upside to get to this um weekly resistance. So this is something you can actually see on gold. This is something that you can actually anticipate on gold. So on GJ, sorry, on GJ. Hold on one second, guys. Let me do something. What's up, man? Okay, this is what I'm trying to bring out. Okay, guys. Let's go over to the daily time frame. Just let's see. Hold on, maybe this. 1 second. Better like this. So this is the daily. So this is what I'm seeing currently now. So this is what we see on the daily. So on daily time frame, the previous day, which was on Friday, ended bearish. You can see the current candle is now pushing bullish. So price has kind of created a level of support here on the daily time frame. We can see that we're in a range. And in the normal circumstance, if I'm looking for this kind of setup in the right time frame, price is indecisive because the previous day never closed below this level. So it closed, I think it closed a little bit not strong enough. So you can see anticipate price pushing upward because it fails to break, and you can see this is a previous level of support where price rejected like this, and what you see after that, price moves to the upside. So that's a similar thing that could likely occur here, price holding and moving to the upside. You get me? So let's go to the 4 hours time frame. Let's see what the 4 hours is telling us. So the 4 hours, price has created a strong level, a strong bullish candle, and a engulfing bullish candle on the 4 hours, and you can see it's trying to see. I don't know if it's trying to push, but we know when we go in the pattern because it already pushed up and it came back to like its entry, like when initial start pushing up from. So that's where price is currently is. But let's scale down to the 1 hour time frame. Let's see something better. So on the 1 hour, we have a resistance level. We also have a range where price can likely push if it breaks above, because it's looking like a bullish structure currently now. So if you see a break above this level, it might likely look opportunities to go long. So if I go to the 30 minutes time frame, in 30 minutes, what do you see on the 30 minutes? So in 30 minutes, you see the same level, but you can see that on 30 minutes, if you look on our left in 30 minutes, you can see this is the level where price rejected before. You can see how the rejection. If I will move forward, you can see this is the level where price rejected before. This is selling. This is the selling signal. This is the selling structure. You get this is the level where price always reject from and fall to the downside. So that is like the similar thing that's looking to occur here, but this candle is trying to push up. So let's see if we get a bullish structure. If we get like a bullish candle closing above, then it could be a good opportunity for you to actually buy, because price always reject of this level. So if you can get a strong, very strong bullish closure above here, then you can look to actually buy the price to the upside. So this is what I see on DJ, and this is a potential opportunity for longs when it's play out. So if I go to the 15 minutes as well, I think it's a similar thing, just I will also adjust my resistance and I'll write about it. So you can look for buys above here, and if you're looking for sales on GJ, sales should be below the structure. So when you see a break below the structure on GJ, you can anticipate sales, because I actually prefer sales. So it will be cleaner setup and cleaner range. So on the sales, you can have about 30p or 40k, 45p range for sales. Let's just wait. You have about 2 more minutes. I don't think we can get that break of structure on the for bullish momentum. So let us wait. You can see what price does. So I'm going to put sales below here. Sales below, and most likely buys above. So buys above. So let us wait and see how. But I prefer sell look like a more cleaner structure. But let's wait and see what the price does. Then we know how we're going to pursue. That is, you need to know how we're going to pursue. You just have to wait. So let's go back to our gold and then look at gold. Let's see what gold is doing. So gold is finding its way to the downside a bit. The 1 hour is ending as a bearish candle. You can see it. Um, the 4 hours should be flipping bearish. Yeah, okay. That's good. That's good. So let's see if we'll likely get selling opportunities because on the daily time frame is weekly is bullish, but we are all saying different things. So we don't know. There are two things that's involved in this good. Either price is still yet to create its weekly low, primary price comes to weekly low and it wants to push up, or there's just a lot of momentum to the downside that wants to push price and price wants to form a new trend and start pushing to the downside. So basically that's just it. So let's just wait patiently and see how the whole trade unfolds and we know how it can be part of it. Yes. Let's wait. So the price has closed, price has closed. Nothing going on here. Nothing going on here. You just have to wait. Nothing goes on, guys. So we have to wait. The price will give us something to trade about. So there's nothing going on. So we have to all wait, guys. So I'm waiting, guys. We have 11 minutes, so let's just wait and see what this candle does. You understand? Let's wait. Let's see what this candle does. Then we'll know exactly how we're going to, if we're going to get any opportunity or not. So what the forward is flipping now. Forward is actually flipping now. Forward is actually flipping now. It doesn't go in chat, guys. We're just waiting. So we have about 9 minutes. Let me really quickly look at GJ to see if GJ is doing anything. We have about 9 minutes. So GJ is no bottom week. This kind of started with no bottom week. So just start pushing up. Let's see, 30 minutes, 1 hour. Okay, you might get a flip. If you get a flip of this candle, it might drive to the downside. It might actually drive to the downside if this candle decide to flip bearish after this push. You might actually see price 25 pip. Price might actually dip and you might see some profits. But there's nothing going on now, guys. I'm just waiting, looking, observing. Gold is only pair looking to push to the downside, so we're still looking at it and see if we'll get any opportunities on gold. So aside that, there's nothing else going on. Aside that, nothing else going on. Now it's waiting time. We just have to wait and wait and wait and see if price will give us anything. But that's not the case. It's waiting time. Price has broken below. The power has flipped, like I said before. Power candle has flipped. You see, it has flipped. The 2 hours has broken below its previous low, so we can anticipate a drive from this candle. 1 hour has broken below. Has it broken below? Yeah, it's broken below the 1 hour low. So you see, there's a drive. What happened there? Did it push quickly? So we just wait, guys. We just wait and we just wait and see. We're probably just waiting for any opportunities. If you have any questions to ask me in chat, you can just drop it on the chat. So I'll talk about it, see it or something. Obviously not. You see, if you're trade today, we have seen one win or loss or break even, but we're still waiting for any possible opportunities. Oh, damn, I'm tired. So if any possible opportunities for us to dive right in. So that's it for now. Okay, guys. GJ created the bottom week. He actually came back down and he created the bottom week. Surprisingly, so he's currently pushing up back, but he's kind of struggling. So you just have to wait and see. You just have to wait and see what he does. That's all for now. You just have to wait and see what he does. And for gold, we have about 2 more minutes to the end of the candle. So gold has even rejected the structure entirely. It's like the 15-minute candle has flipped bullish back. So I don't know. So you just have to wait as well. The I'm saying is you probably won't get any opportunities today, but you just have to wait and see what plays out. You just have to wait. There's nothing more or less we can do but wait. That's all the thing you can do. You just have to wait. You might likely not get any opportunities. But if you do, so be it. But I'm here, I'm active and I'm waiting for opportunities. I'm just waiting for opportunities. I'm chilling, I'm actually playing game on my phone because I can't be it's bored. There's nobody chat is not asking me any question. You guys are not asking me any questions. So there's there's I can't interact with you guys. I can't really talk to myself. At the point, I feel like I'm going crazy. So unless you guys are asking me questions, ask me one or two things you want to ask me about trading, then I can find a way to answer you guys and we can talk about it. But for now, there's nothing going on. Since gold is going up, it should be coming down now, right? Okay, it's not. Anyways, that's it. Gold is actually pushing. It's actually pushing. Seems like it might likely actually get an opportunity, but let's wait it out. Let's see how everything plays out. Then we know what it is for us. Despite the whole bullish momentum gold was bringing right now, one thing you need to understand that we're still in the range and you can't look for opportunities or you can't force any trade because just because you see the trade rejecting of a level and pushing up, but doesn't indicate that price also actually push up. So this might be it's because if I go to 5 minutes, you see that price never created a high for um the 1 hour candle. So this might actually even bring price hitting a high before it actually comes down to break below. So a lot of things can happen in the next 15 to 30 minutes. So you just have to wait and see exactly what's going to happen, how price closes, how it ends, before we know how we will execute anything. But for now, there's nothing going on. You just have to wait it out. So we have about 40 more minutes to wait to see what else the price does for us. So let's say it out and let's wait patiently. So you can go about your business and come back in the next 15. So since like GJ might be an opportunity for us, we might actually give GJ a try. But let's wait for the candle to close first. Then we know what we're gonna do. But actually give GJ a try. But we have our 8 more minutes. Let the candle close. Then we can look to place a trade on GJ. Let's wait 7 more minutes. GJ looking good. So let's see if we're going to place a trade on GJ. Oh, 30 minutes. 30 minutes in was okay. Engulfing the candle. 4 hours. Let's see. Might probably get a buy on GJ. So, but let's wait it out. Let's see how the candles close. So we know what we're going to do. 'Well, I'll be opening a Zoom for anybody else to start joining me on Zoom so we can have a chat. So 5 more minutes, guys. GJ is looking like it's going to close above. But the only problem I have with GJ is this level here. But let's see if this volume up volume to push the price. Why? Okay, GJ is rejecting that level now. You see it, rejection. Seems like the market doesn't want to give us an opportunity today. So If it doesn't, I will still stick around for a while, probably till give or take maybe 9 o'clock. Let's see if you can stay maybe 9 o'clock or towards 9 o'clock. Let's see if you can get any opportunities. That's one. I'm going to stick around for a while. So DJ is completely rejecting that level right now. Let's see something in 30 minutes on the 1 hour. So rejecting that level. So this is what I was talking about. Anyway, just keep waiting. Let's see. So let's wait for this extra 15. It's although it has no top week, let's wait for this extra 15. Then if you don't get anything in this candle, then I just look to close this because there's nothing going on. Like I said, this is the range I was talking about. Nothing going on. This is the range I was talking about. Nothing going on. So let's just wait. BTC is looking nice for a buy actually. Looking at BTC looking nice for a buy. All right, guys. I don't think we can get any entry in the next 6 minutes. But if we do, I'm going to send out to the group. I don't think we can get any entry. So just stay active, guys. Let's wait. Let's wait. Two more minutes, guys. 2 more minutes. So let's see if we can get something here. I'm looking at the structure. This is also a level price book below. Let's see if we can get like a bullish. Let's see if we can get something here, guys. Let's see if we can get something here. I'm looking at the structure. Let's see if we can get like, oh, it's pushing down. There's no need. No problem. No need, guys. No need. Let's reject back up, but there's no need. Let's see. Let's see. Am I likely with you? Am I likely with the next? It's Monday, like I said, but I likely wait till the next. 15 to see if we'll get anything. I'm just see active looking for opportunities. So let's see. I'll see. Let me see. One more minute. So let me just remove this first. And this GJ should be pushing down. Okay, it's pushing it back. Why BCC should be doing what? Pushing very slow, very slow. Let's wait, guys. Let's wait, guys. GJ, what are you doing? Just going back to the level. Is it about skills above or below? It's not doing anything. So you see how patient has saved us from a lot of things. Just being patient and waiting for the candle to actually close and all. That's close inside his own. That's close. Now this is a very tricky one. There's no topic. Okay, guys, and this is where I'm ending it. There's no topic. There's no bottom. There's nothing going on here. So see you guys tomorrow, same time. Just same time tomorrow. Stay blessed. There's nothing going on. I can't place a trade in this structure. It's not ideal. So but anyhow, if there's anything coming up, oh don't worry, never mind. I'm not placing a trade. I don't feel like I should. I don't feel like it's good enough. So I'll let you guys know if I see anything. Stay blessed. See you guys tomorrow, same time. Peace out. Peace out, guys.